Hello in the next episode. In today's video I'm going to repair something not usual. Today I'm going to repair the LCD screen.
So this is a multi-head embroidery machine. We had a problem with it. We had a shortage, electrical shortage, and the board blew up. And my friend here, he came in, called his expertise in. He's done his repairs, done the magic. We put the board back in and it's working perfectly fine now. We have to set it up again, put all the threads on, but yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Saved me a lot of money. Okay, so this is a cutting machine. This is a vinyl machine. We're not using that at the moment. We'll show you a different printer at the moment, which is overtaken this one. This is a multi-embroidery machine.
Yeah.
We've got up to 15 colours on this machine, and we can put multiple garments in there and do them all at the same time. At the moment, we're just setting up for this job that we're doing for Paul Campbell's Karate Academy, based in Dudley. So, yeah, it's happy days.
And that machine over there, that's exactly the same.
That's exactly the same.
Wow.
That's an older model, but again, it's a multi-head embroidery machine.
I can see that it's a huge machine. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got nice stuff here.
So this is a Stall's Hoptronics fusion machine. It's a heat press for garments. So we make transfers like these and heat press them onto garments. But we've got an issue with the machine, and it seems like the screen's not working.
All right, so we will take it out and we will fix it.
Yeah,
And I will bring it back to you later.
that'd be fantastic. Thank you.
And this is the damage here. You cannot see here, but this panel, the LCD screen on the top of that didn't work. So he decided to check what's going on, and he removed this part of the machine. Yeah, and he just tore the multi-track tape, and now I need to splice it back again to make it work. Let's fix it. Right, so what I've done, I've just put some, Kapton tape on the screen, because I'm going to glue this multi-track tape here, and I'm going to grind the connections and solder the wire, the jumper wire, to this trace to make them connected back again. But here we got some traces on this side of this tape, and on the other side we've got also some traces. So let's start the repair. You know, the best way is to take this LCD screen to my customer and check on his machine if it still works or no. Alright, so let's go to my customer. Yeah. This is the moment of truth.
Oh, just blinked. Oh, yes!
We've got a picture.
It's working. Fantastic.
It's working fine. Alright. Very
That's
happy.
great. Yep.
Very happy.
Thumbs up again.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Alright. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you next time.